Hey everybody, how you doing? So today we're starting on the patio in the backyard. Big project, kind of a big project. I've been wanting to finish the back, get a little seating area out there beyond the lanai. Not much. They showed up today and work begins, so let's check it out. So I used the same crew that did my landscaping and hardscape. These guys are really good. They're the Village Palms. I'll put the contact information in the description and I highly recommend them. I use the same designer as well, Scotty Rains from the Village Palms. I definitely recommend reaching out to the Village Palms and ask for Scotty, and he'll take good care of you, I'm sure. Good morning everybody, it's day 2. Just got up having my coffee and the guys should be here any minute now to start on my patio. I'm excited to get it done. It's a little patio, it's not that big. Just enough for a barbecue, a couple chairs. But anyway, we'll head outside here when they get here and we'll take a look at how the progress is coming along. All right, let's do it. Hey everybody, patio's done. Let's step outside and take a look. I got some Adirondack chairs I threw out here. Got the grill. We added some stepping stones there. Going around the bend. A little bit of sand here on the edge. It still is washing away a little bit. And I have my guy coming to seal this too. Get a fresh seal on it to make them last longer and look good. It's small. It's only about 21 feet by, I don't know, about 6 foot there. But it fits nicely back here. It goes with my straight lines. And really happy with it. And I got plenty of room for the grill to hang out. And I can watch the starships, or the spaceships usually launch from there. So I get a nice spot to watch them. And grab a little sun when I need it. So there you have it, everybody. Got my new patio in. It looks really good. I'm really happy with it. I know it's small, but does a trick for exactly what I wanted. So the yard's looking pretty good. And let's head out front because I made some changes there too. The rock has been rotated. Remember, it used to look like a tombstone standing up, so I decided to rotate it, and I think it looks way better. But these guys did a great job. So the total cost for the project was approximately $3,900, which included materials and labor. So very happy with the price. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care of each other out there, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.